Why does it look like my forehead is popping from this angle? Let me sit like this. Another day, another vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube space. If you are new here, my name is Gift Nasimiu. Trust me, you will definitely love our vibes on here. And if you are a returning subscriber, where do I start? Where do I start? You know the vibes on here. Welcome back, babe. Welcome back. Yeah. Hey. Anyway, guys, I'm hoping that you are doing okay. It is a very beautiful morning on my end. I'm doing okay, Yeah, so depending on where you're watching me from, let me know in the comment section. How are you doing? My fellow Kenyans. Where? Anyway, as you have read from the title, I am finally clearing the mess on my head because it's giving oppressed. It's now time that I take down these locks. I've stayed with them for I think 8 months, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. 8 months, and I'm just like, you know what, it's time to let them go. I can't be holding on to stuff like this. Yeah, so they've served me well, and now it's time to say bye bye. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to the person who installed them for me to remove them. Yeah, and I'm just crossing my fingers that this African hair has grown. Oh, of course, I do expect shedding, but not as much. Yeah, so I'm just hoping that my hair is long enough. Of course, I'll tag you guys with me. As you can see, I've already gotten ready. I've had to uh put on this, is it cape, to just hide the shame that is happening over there. I don't want people looking at me like, hey, get your life together, girl. Yeah, so anyway, as I was saying, I've already gotten ready and I'm just about to leave the house. I think I'll just be carrying this bag because I want to carry my snacks as well. So, because I'm sure I'll feel hungry at the salon because I haven't had breakfast. So yeah, just stuff them in there and then I'll be having this as well as my breakfast. I think I'll just put it in there. Yeah, so I guess I'll catch up with you guys once I get there. Yeah, once they start removing and stuff. So see you later. Yo, I have no shame. I just be eating anywhere. The Luya in me, oh my goodness. Please don't judge me. Oh my goodness. Hey.
Hey, Mr. Bully, won't you just see right through me? On the dying days when I ask for forgiveness or myself. Hey, Mr. Bully, what you think when you push me?
So this is just me at the salon getting my locks undone. As you can see, I think here I'm just gonna put a time lapse, but before I do that, this process took about 4 hours. It really does take quite some time to undo the locks, so patience is key when it comes to that. Anyway, so enjoy the background music as you watch me get my hair undone, and yeah, time lapse it is. Quick length check, then back to time lapse.
Últimamente nuestras charlas son comparecencias. Un pasito más para la indulgencia. Un abogado por si acaso, y si el juez está de paso, termina dictaminando la sentencia. Salimos presuntos de inocencia. Pasito para atrás por si nos arrepentimos. Si nadie es culpable, pues culpamos al destino con él.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah, so I know I kind of look funny, especially my hair, but please, I can explain. Don't mind. So, I undid my locks yesterday, as you've seen in the previous clips. And yo, my hair has really grown. It is currently giving, Indian. Anyway, so I just came on here to do like a length check. I've still not combed my hair. So this is the length that I'm dealing with right now. I know it's really, really long. This is what I am dealing with. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Yeah, anyway, so I'm about to leave the house. I need to get my hair done because I'm not really good when it comes to, dealing with natural hair on a daily. So I think I'm going to do cornrows. I've not yet decided, but yeah, I'll figure that out later. So yeah, that is all I had to tell you guys. It was more of, lunch check. Yo, hey, I've just realized that I don't even have a comb in this house. I don't know how. But anyway, I think when I was moving, maybe it just got lost. I'm not sure. So I think I'm going to, because I can't really be walking around like this, to be honest. So I think I'll go to one of the salons down here and borrow a comb before I proceed to get my hair done. So yeah, bye guys. Bye. Good morning, guys. Why does it look like my forehead is popping from this angle? Let me sit like this. Anyway, guys, good morning. It's a couple of days later, and I just want to get you up to speed with what has been happening. Because to be honest, this is me picking up the camera after a couple of days, So I think the last clip that you guys saw was me going to get my hair done, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it was actually me going to get my hair done. And I mean, this is how it turned out. Of course, I've just done like I have a messy bun going on. But anyway, this is the video of how the hair was looking. This is actually a day after I just got it done. I know it's giving, it still is. So I just did cornrows, and then I had Spanish whatever's at the bottom. Yeah, so now that that is out of the way, today's the day that I finally get to go and buy the cooker, because I have been postponing that for the longest time, not because I'm a procrastinator, but simply because I am Kenyan, and as Kenyans we have been going through a lot, we have been dealing with a lot. So the shop was not open and all that. So I've contacted the guy, and he says that he'll open today. So I just want to go and check out the options that he has, because in the last video that I did, where I was checking out cookers, most of you guys recommended that I don't shop from the supermarket because their prices were a little bit on the higher end. Yeah, and then I did ask for your recommendations in the last video on the type of cooker that I should go for, and most of you recommended, is it called BJS or BJs? I don't know. I think BJS is the pronunciation. And then I also got recommendations on Mika. I don't know if I am pronouncing the Mika correctly. Anyway, so I want to go to town and check out the options. I'm actually going to Digital Electronics. I'll tag you guys along with me. Yeah, so that, I mean, at the end of this video, you'll have seen the kind of cooker that I'll have settled for. And I'll fill you in on the prices as well, so that we get to compare, is it really worth buying a cooker from the supermarket or just these shops that stock appliances and stuff. Anyway guys, so I need to leave today. I've done a messy bun, as I've told you, because I'm not about to stress myself. I just want to go about my day with ease. I don't have to keep on like flipping my hair. Nah. Yeah, so I don't want to talk too much because I have already talked too much. So let me head out, and then I'll catch up with you guys once I get to Digital Electronics. In the meantime, don't forget that I love you guys. I love you. Stay tuned. Just in case you're interested, Digital City Electronics is located at Nairobi City Center Mall, that is along Ronald Ngala Street. If you are looking for a one-stop shop for electronics, then I definitely recommend Digital City Electronics. Here you will find cookers, fridges, water dispensers, microwaves, blenders, and whatnot. The best thing about it, they do have a physical shop, so you can just go and check whatever they have at their shop. So guys, it is hours later and I'm finally back in the house, and anyway guys, so I know I kind of look like a mess, but we'll worry about that later. So by now, as you've seen in the previous clips, I went to digital electronics. That is where I got my cooker from, and I went with BJS, as most of you had recommended. Actually, when I went to the shop, out of the options that were presented to me, of course the guy showed me Von, Amco, uh, Mika, BJS, and which one? I mean, I did check out several, and I decided to settle for BJS because of the specs, and I'm glad that you guys recommended it because it looks so good. It looks so good because, as I'd mentioned, I really wanted a cooker that was black in color. So for this, I've had to compromise and just got a cooker that doesn't have a rapid hot plate because BJS doesn't come with that. But I feel like so far so good. As long as the oven is very much functional, I'm gonna be baking, I'm gonna be, cooking some amazing stuff on here. So I just want to go ahead and show you guys how the cooker looks like. But even before I do that, my kitchen is full already. What? My kitchen is full already because I went for a 60 by 60 cooker, and I feel like, oh my god, where will I even put the fridge? Because I intend to get one because my kitchen is already small, but we'll worry about that later because I don't know if it's a major issue right now. So this is how the cooker turned out. So let me just show you. So this is the overall outlook for the cooker. So it's we have 3 gas outlets, and then we have 1 electric plate. Though, as I've mentioned, it's not a rapid hot plate, but it's still fine with me. I know there's some stuff in here that I'm supposed to fix, but this is how the oven looks like in general. And then, yeah, I guess, oh my, so noisy. I guess these are the stuff that are supposed to go up here. We'll fix that later. And then I think this is for the meat or something. Yeah, I'm really avoiding pronouncing that name. And then we have a guide as well. This is a warranty certificate. And then, oh, my phone is almost going off. So this is a warranty certificate. Ignore my broken nail. This is just how it looks like. And then we have this guide over here that is written in, I don't know what language that is. I'm hoping that they have an English part because here, oh yeah, they have an English part. And then there's this oven tray as well. So yeah, I guess that is basically it. So yeah, so that is how the cooker looks like. I want to try and fix this off camera because my phone is almost going off. I'm hoping that it is just a matter of me placing them because I don't like fixing stuff. Because the guy said that it was just a matter of me placing them. So I'm hoping that it is as easy as ABC. And then once I do that, I'm gonna come on here and close this vlog. My gas is supposed to be delivered from the petrol station. There's a petrol station somewhere down there. So I think once the guy brings the gas, he'll just go ahead and fix because, baby girl is not about to be fixing stuff on here. So yeah, let me fix this, then I'll come back and close this vlog. Yeah, I've just decided to do it on camera. Why? So this, honestly, I don't know how to fix this stuff, you guys. I'm guessing this big one. Oh yeah, it seems easy. Oh yeah, yeah. It actually looks pretty simple. This one is not here. I'm guessing that one goes there. and then that one goes on top, and then this one goes on here. Does it? No, here. I think I've just placed it, but once the guy brings the cooker, he'll just check to see if I've done the right thing. Cause where? Please. Oh yeah. I'm guessing I've done it right. Yeah. And then we put this back on. Yeah, I need to wipe this thing because it feels kind of dusty. But yeah, I guess that is it, guys. That is it. Let me show you guys. Can you really see? Yeah. So yeah, the cooker is off my bucket list. Anyway, guys, that is all for today's video. Once I start using the cooker, I'll let you know what I think about it. But so far, so good. I'm so happy. And thank you to you guys for recommending the options to go for. I don't take it for granted. I do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I am grateful. I am really, really grateful. So I guess that is all for today's video. I'm hoping that you'll enjoy watching this video as much as I did enjoy recording the content for you guys. As much as I did enjoy recording the content for you guys. And in case you have any suggestions on the kind of content you'd want to see on here, please feel free to suggest them in the comment section. And of course, I'll be happy to engage. Look at how pretty I am. Oh my goodness. Anyway, guys, that is all. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Oh, wait. I'll leave the contact to digital electronics on the screen right here. Actually, as I speak, please, the contacts will be somewhere on here. So that in case you want anything that pertains to electronics, you can just, hit them up and they'll be happy to, they'll be at your service. They also offer countrywide delivery. So please go ahead and check them out. You can contact them via this contact on here. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Hey, Mr. Bully, won't you just see right through me? On the dying days when I ask for forgiveness. Oh,